Hello guys! For today's video, we are going to make peach ice cream bar.
Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good.
Okay. We will use peaches. 1 can of peaches.
Okay.
Graham bar. First, we will add all of the cream soda into the container. Okay, now let's pour the second can of cream soda. Now that we're done mixing, we will now move on with the graham. So we can put it in the container. It's water with sugar. We will dip it fast and quick so it doesn't get that moist and soggy.
Dapat mabilis lang ang paglalagay ng mga grahams kasi lalambot siya agad. At saka itong mga grahams ko nadurog yata kaya ganyan sila, putol-putol sila. Pero okay lang yan. Pwedeng-pwede pa yung gamitin.
Now that we're done with this, the graham, we will now pour all of the mixture. Okay?
Favorite kasi ni Inigo yan, kaya siya daw ang gagawa ngayon.
Now let's add the peaches. Make sure you wear gloves or have clean hands. On.
Ang tiyaga niya guys, inisa-isa niya talaga yung mga peaches na yan. O, diba? Ang galing niya.
Let's repeat the graham step.
Oh no! Huli sa camera. Ayun, nahuli sa camera si Kuya Inigo. Tirador ng tira-tira.
Dito, put it in the...
Now let's put it in the refrigerator for...
Ilagay natin sa ref hanggang sa makita natin na matigas na yung ating ice cream bar. Meron kasing natirang mga peaches. Sayang naman, di ba? O yan. Inubos na niya. Wala talagang masasayang. Ito naman si Carl. Meron din siya. O,
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth, guys! Okay, moment of truth, guys.
Wow! Yung ba dito?
It's still a bit wet.
Sige. Approve.
Para sa akin, mas masarap tong peaches kaysa dun sa una namin ginawang cookies and cream. Mas masarap pag fruits ang ilalagay. Yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!